Creating a website can feel overwhelming, but with Squarespace, it doesn't have to be. If you're looking for an affordable and user-friendly way to build a stunning site, you've come to the right place. Today, let's explore how Squarespace can help you create a professional online presence without breaking the bank. Squarespace is known for its beautiful, high-quality templates. Over 170 of them. These designs are crafted by top-notch designers and are fully customizable, allowing you to create a unique website that perfectly represents your brand. Whether you're building a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, you'll find templates that cater to your needs. One of the standout features of Squarespace is its intuitive drag-and-drop builder. This makes it easy for anyone, regardless of technical skill, to create and customize their website. You can add sections like galleries, videos, and forms effortlessly. Plus, the platform provides real-time previews so you can see how your site will look on both desktop and mobile devices before it goes live. Now let's talk about some key features. First, rich image management allows you to easily upload and organize images using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Second, e-commerce capabilities let you launch your online store with no transaction fees on sales. Third, Squarespace comes equipped with built-in SEO tools to help your site rank better in search engines without needing additional plugins. And finally, if you ever need help, Squarespace offers round-the-clock support to assist you whenever you encounter issues. When comparing costs, Squarespace stands out as a more affordable option than many competitors. For instance, without Squarespace, a custom domain might cost $11.99 per year, while with Squarespace, it's free for the first year with an annual plan. Transaction fees could run into thousands per year without Squarespace, but are $0 with their plans. Stock photography could set you back $3,000 a year without them, but is also $0 through Unsplash. And professional design services could average around $1,600 compared to just $192 for an annual plan with Squarespace. As you can see, using Squarespace not only saves you money, but also provides you with all the tools needed to succeed online. Ready to take the plunge? Starting your free trial is simple and requires no credit card information. Just head over to their website, choose a template that resonates with your vision, and begin customizing. With Squarespace, building a beautiful website is not just possible, it's easy and affordable. Whether you're launching a business or showcasing your creative work, this platform has everything you need to get started without the hassle. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, click the link in the description below to start your free trial today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building your online presence.